This is my last day at the beach here in Alcona. Tomorrow morning I pick up the rental truck and we're going to load it and hopefully be on our way to Prince Edward Island before noon. Maybe even make it out of Ontario, but we'll do our best. Get as far east as we can so that we can get there on September 10th and unload everything and then scoot back. So I'll have to append as we go in order to see what adventures we get on. Hopefully nothing too drastic between picking up, loading the truck, and heading out with my father, Alex. Now, hopefully Jody gets better. He's not feeling too good, but update, he did not crack his ribs. He just took one hell of a jolt. So hope he gets better and hope COVID leaves so that he can come out and visit me, maybe before I'm even done fixing up that house. One thing I should add is that the permission for us traveling to P.E.I. haven't gone through yet. Jody, strangely enough, filled it out at the same time. His has come back. He's been authorized to go, even though now he's not going to go. But on his acceptance, his permission letter, it said that the P.E.I. access does not give you access to the other Atlantic provinces and you may not be allowed through. So I logged in to the New Brunswick site, filled it out for me, was filling it out for my dad, and my acceptance came through, and then filled his out, and within 10 minutes both of us were sitting there with papers that we can put in the dash of the truck so that we have permission to go through New Brunswick on our way to P.E.I. Still waiting for confirmation from P.E.I. that I can actually get into the province that I purchased the house. Now that they'd sent me an email asking for more information, which I sent back last Wednesday, and this is Monday, and have not heard anything back as of yet. I started the whole process on August 17th trying to get permission to go to P.E.I. So somehow New Brunswick system far superior to P.E.I. system on allowing people to come in, or else maybe it's just a stalling tactic. Who knows? We'll see. I'll take all the paperwork that I have and hopefully that'll get us across the bridge, because they have that pretty well locked down. If not, you can't get across the bridge. So we'll see, but we'll be following along and digging into life and seeing what happens, and it's going to start getting real exciting. It rained all last night and the sun's come out, but I fully expect to freeze my nards off